Number 4819 Toronto Tower, wind 270-23, gets 33, clear to land on 823. You might get a slight bump from the glide path, so there'll be an aircraft in front of it.
Holy fuck. Holy fuck.
Victory Endeavor 4819 4543 ground runway 24 this Gulf Oaks number 2993. Windy crash fire rescue on the runway. Waiting to break, keep there with the runway 23. Yeah, we're on it. We have to call it going out. 100. Hello.
You can just stay there. Go back. By 1 minute back. I got no traffic here, so just let me know what you'd like to do. We just had a crash on runway 23 here.
April Roger, yeah, we're just going with their OTC, whether they want to redeploy to this crash site or not.
Roger, aircraft 105, contact departure 1228. 188, how up?
Okay, now all other aircraft in the frequency, just stand by. Got an emergency going on. It's not happening now. We have a huge emergency on 23. You're not coming out. 157, we had an accident on 23. I don't really want to put you anywhere near there. Is there anywhere else you want to go right now? Okay, yeah, let's do that. Do the 180, and then November, just hold short of that. Go for now, Paul 157.
Ground runway.
Red 1 and company go.
With the recording TD1 Alpha.
Red 1 and company, proceed on runway 24 left, then Delta 1, cross runway 248, up Alpha, and hold short Alpha Kilo.
T4. Ladder.
So, tell report quick early, the airport closed for. Yeah, we're not going to be able to continue northbound due to weather. We got permission for OCC to land north end and assist with this crash if needed.
Flight 1, medevac, Roger, proceed to north end for now. You want to land Juliet Kilo here?
Hey, firm, Juliet Kilo flight 1, medevac.
Just for my update, where's the crash? At runway 23, right at threshold, right at this intersection there, 23 and 15 left.
We're in Toronto.
Okay, we got it in sight.
Could you tell us what the aircraft it was? Oh, yeah, it was an RG9.
Crash.
Flight 1, medevac, Roger, Juliet and Kilo intersection, you can land there, wind 270-24, gust 33. Echo man, Juliet Kilo, Lake Flight 1 medevac. Flight 1 medevac, just for you out there's people outside walking around the aircraft there.
Yeah, we've got it. The aircraft is upside down and burning.
What's going on?